Triangle congruence proofs can be really hard, but let's make it easier. Let's take a look up here. We are given two statements here, but I want to take a look at the proof. We see that RS is congruent to RT as our proof statement. We're given some triangles here. Usually when we see this, we know that we're going to need to prove the triangle's congruent and use the fact that corresponding parts of congruent triangles are congruent as well. But let's start. First of all, we have angle 3 is congruent to angle 2. That is going to be our first statement here, and our reason is given. So I'm going to mark it. That angle is congruent to that angle. Next, we are given that angle 4 is congruent to angle 5. Pretty simple, right? It is also given to us, and I'm going to mark these now with 2 tick marks just because that is a different pair of angles. Next, we see that there's a relationship between angle 3 and angle 1. Those are vertical angles, right? And I'm going to mark it with the same marking that I have for angle 3. So I'm going to say angle 3 is congruent to angle 1 using vertical angles. We know vertical angles are congruent. Now, if we know that angle 2 is congruent to angle 3 and angle 1 is congruent to angle 3, we can say that angle 1 and angle 2 are congruent. And this is important because they're in the triangles, right? And we can use the transitive property to say this. Next up, we have used all our given information. We looked at the picture to find the vertical angles. We also have a pair of sides that are going to be congruent between these two triangles, and they are smack dab in the middle. That's called a reflexive side when it is shared between two triangles, right? So we can say that BR is congruent to BR using the reflexive property. I'm going to write reflexive here. Now, we have 3 pairs of congruent parts inside of our triangles. We can prove them congruent using angle, side, angle. So I'm going to say that triangle BSR is congruent to triangle BTR using the angle, side, angle congruence postulate. Now, we have congruent triangles. We need to say that the parts are congruent using CPCTC, right? If we know the 2 triangles are congruent, we can say that the 2 parts are congruent as well using CPCTC, and we are all done.